Hi there. Glad you joined me today. Today we're going to cover logging into the GED exam portal. Now, of course you want to prepare for the exam. You want to invest your money wisely. So you may not be ready to take the exam yet. Your instructor will help prepare you with the skills you need to successfully pass the exam. But in the meantime, we want to make certain that you're logged into the portal for a few reasons. One, we want to make certain when you are ready to take the exam that you can log in and take the exam easily enough. As well as we want to make certain that if you give us permission, we can contact you with information like scholarships for college or graduation. You can walk in our graduation ceremony, and there's various reasons why we'd like to contact you if we know that you've passed your exam. So we're going to show you today how to log into the GED exam portal, as well as give IRSC permission to view your exam scores so we can offer you future opportunities here at IRSC. So come and join me. The first thing I'm going to take you to do is log into a web browser. So you can choose Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome. I'm just going to log in Google Chrome right now. Once you get an address bar here, you can type in GED.com, GED.com, and it'll bring up this site for you. Okay, if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. If you don't, let's go ahead and log in to create an account. Okay, so we're going to select down here and create an account. If you need an email account, you can select one, but you have an IRSC email account, so that shouldn't be an issue for you. If you need help with that, visit with a facilitator or your instructor. For right now, I'm going to create an account, so I'm going to put my email address in. Twice, and the password. It has to follow those rules there, contain 8 or more characters, a letter, at least one number, and it may not contain your email. And then I'm going to select create an account. Don't forget your password. Write it down somewhere, put it in your phone, somewhere secure that somebody's not going to find it and know what it's for. But make certain you remember what it is. Okay, let's enter your name. And then follow the questions. Where do you plan to take the GED test? Hopefully you'll take it here with us at IRSC. Let's select the state where you're going to take it. Are you currently enrolled in high school? If you're in our program, you say yes. Sorry, does not include your preparation classes. So I guess we're going to say no for this one. Select continue. They mean a public high school. Sorry. Okay. If you need any accommodations for your test, if you have any learning disabilities or any disabilities whatsoever, please select yes, proceed as you would normally, and continue. I'm going to select no for here, continue. Okay, so now we're on this screen, and there's some great information in here you can use to support you in your lessons. Now don't forget, you're still working with your instructor, and they're going to still prepare you with all the skills you need to pass this exam. But there's some great information in here. But for right now, I'm going to simply go ahead and select my scores on the top there. Okay, and then scroll down a little bit. Right underneath here, where it says share scores with my adult learning center, that's what you want to select, okay? So click share scores with my adult learning center. And then again, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to select continue after I check yes, I agree to the statement and policies listed above directly. Now, of course, you're going to read them, but essentially you're saying that you agree to all the terms there. And I'm going to select continue. Okay. And now you select our school, okay? And all that simply does is that releases the information. So when you call us and say, hey, I didn't get my scores, or, did you see my scores? Because I want you to have them. They'll release the scores to us, okay? And then we can send you scholarship information. We can send you financial aid information. We can invite you to our graduation ceremony where you can walk with us. So select Indian River State College. And it'll show up based on your zip code. So if you put in 34981 or 34982, it'll still show up for you. Okay, there it is, Indian River State College. Say select. It says selected. And there you go. and then you can go back to your dashboard. But once it says selected, you're good. Okay, so it says up here, you selected adult education centers in Indian River State College. So your scores will then be released to us, and then we can support you further in your future college career plans. So at this stage of the game, to assure that everybody's on the same page, that we know that you have given us permission and we can proceed with sending you what you need for your future graduation after you take the exam and everything, take a screenshot of this, okay? And there's a couple different ways to take a screenshot depending on what your device, the device that you're using. But for example, if you have a Windows device, you can simply select on Start and select Snip, okay? The snipping tool will come up. You select that little scissor, and you take a little snippet of it. Let's see, New. And you just drop and drag here like this. There we go. And it takes a snippet of it. I think on a Mac or an iPad, I know I press the little button on the bottom and my power off button, and it snaps a picture for me. On the Mac, I think it's Control-Shift-3 or Control-Shift-4 will take a snippet. So there's a couple different ways to do it. If you have a mobile device and you're not sure how, Google it. It'll tell you. So that snippet tool, I'm going to simply select Copy, or I can File, Save As. On the Mac, when you snip it, it usually saves it to your desktop. So I'm going to select Save As. And I'm going to send it to my desktop. I'm going to call it GED permission for IRSC, right? I'm going to select Save, and then I can close this screen. And I'm going to go to my email then and attach an email and send it to me, okay? Or to your instructor. Send it to whomever sent you the information that you need to go on and log in. So send it to as proof and evidence that you have given permission to IRSC to be able to do this for you. Again, it's simply to support you in your future growth at the college here and future graduation date. I look forward to seeing you at graduation. Now time to go back to work with your teacher. Good luck.